How to play with all teams on eFootball. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can play with all teams on eFootball, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to play with all teams on eFootball, you will not be able to do it over here because you only have a limited number of teams. But you can actually still play with all the teams that are available on eFootball and are licensed by simply going to the training section. So you can just come to this extras tab that you can find here, go to training, and when you go to training, you can select free training over here. Once you select free training over here, you can see practice match, right? So you have to just go to practice match here, and when you come to practice match option, on the next page it will take you to the page where you can simply choose all of your teams over here. So by default it will give you this random team over here, right? But what if you want a custom team? Well, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is you have to basically pause the game over here. So let me go ahead and do that. Just pause the game like this. So let me just go ahead and skip this process as well. Once you pause the game over here, you can see home and away from the bottom right. If you want to change your home team, which is you can just select that. And now you can select any team from any league or any country. So let's say I go to Europe, I can just select English League, and then I can just select any of the team that I want to play with. I can tap the done button, and I can also repeat the process for the away team as you would be able to find it. And once the team has been loaded up, I'll be able to play with those teams. This only works for practice match because all teams are available in practice match, so you have to understand that. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically play with all teams on eFootball. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.